Hey there, and welcome to Matt's Garage. Today I'm going to be replacing the engine air filter on this 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. Okay, so here we are at the engine air box, and the first thing I like to do is just wipe it off really good. This one looks pretty clean, but you don't want to get any contaminants inside there if you don't need to. And I'm pretty sure we don't need to take these hoses off. We just have to undo these clips here. This one's a little bit down in there. There we go. And one more over here. And then I believe it just hinges at the back, so you just pull it up a little, and then this slides ahead like that. Okay, and then you just pull up the filter and out. And in this case, my parents recently bought this van, so I'm just checking the filter for them to make sure that it's recently been changed. Looks like it has been. I'm gonna just blow out this little bit of debris that's in here and put it back in. Okay, I'm back, and I blew the filter out a little with an air gun. If I had a new one, I would put it in, but I was actually expecting this to be a bit cleaner. I do recommend Wix filters or an OEM one like this. This is an actual Chrysler filter, so that's fine as well. And then the air box, you just want to make sure it's kind of clean. You can vacuum out down in here. It kind of collects up with bugs and gravel, and then I like to just wipe the sealing lip and kind of wipe out the box a little bit. This one's pretty clean, so yeah, we're just going to put that in there. And this same procedure, of course, if you had a brand new filter, just make sure that it's all seated down nicely around the edges, and then you want to make sure that you don't disturb that when you slide the cover back in. So the lid basically has three little tabs that stick out at the back. I can't really get you a camera angle on it, but they clip in at the back, so you kind of have to have it ahead of the filter housing a little, and then push the back down first like that. Just make sure that the filter's staying in place while you're doing that. I mean, you'll see exactly what I mean. It's really simple. So you just push it down firmly at the back and kind of work it in, and keep pushing back as you hinge it down. And then just look back there and make sure all three tabs are properly in, and then do up this front clip first here, and then just do the other clips up. There we go. That one's easier to do up than it was to undo. Well, that's all there is to changing the engine air filter in your Dodge Caravan. So thanks a lot for watching Matt's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.